Hi children, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to draw a cartoon banana easily. Draw a small oval shape and from both the tips draw slantingly like this and come down slantingly, and inside that draw two circles. And from one circle come down slantingly and go inside and draw a small line, and from that line come down slantingly outside and draw like this zigzag lines. Again on the other side come slantingly down and join them together. And now at the tip draw a small circle. Inside two circles draw a small circle inside and darken it as black, and inside a mouth draw a small line and join them slantingly inside. Now from the top at the corner draw another layer of slanting line, and now we have finished drawing a banana. At the tip and the bottom darken it as black first, and now we are going to color the banana. And now we have drawn and colored a cartoon banana. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.